Hey guys, what you doing?
Painting.
Oh,
There's nothing like
what you painting, Ellie?
Bunny for Thanksgiving.
Bunny.
Wait, what?
Red Blessed Freddy's. Wait, what?
Thanksgiving ba ngayon, ha?
No.
Thanksgiving saan?
No, I mean from Easter.
Oh.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
Yeah, what's your name?
Mateo.
Yeah, that's Mateo's friend.
Huh?
I know LA's friend.
So I have another name that me.
Yeah.
Name Mateo?
Yeah.
I actually do.
Really?
With two T's. With two T's. I'm done.
Me too.
Not yet.
The bunny's supposed to be white.
Ay, wait ba?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
How did you forget the bunny?
Okay, fine.
Okay, I think I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Paint at the back.
Oh.
White kasi daw ang bunny.
Oh.
No, there's a brown bunny.
Oh no! Wait, there's a tail. I think.
How about you, Ellie? May see you on a bunny. Ellie.
Wait, I know what should to wear.
May see.
I know what should.
Ellie,
wear.
move your hand.
Yung carrots lang yung inano nila. Yung
I know what it.
Nagluto ako dito ng sinigang na galunggong. Madali ang luto lang to. Kasi mamaya ay magsisimba kami. Today is Sunday. So family day, church day. So nito is kakain na kami, okay?
I have a mic.
Me too.
With ow!
Eat. Eat in 10 billion minutes. 10 trillion minutes. Oh.
Meron kasi nag-uupor na parang dyan. Buti rin ako. Tanong na daw lawal na mas ikin. Ito na. Para tayo.
Sabaw. Sabaw ko.
I'm playing keepy uppy.
Sabaw mo.
Don't let the
Yes, good.
balloon touch the floor. Don't let the balloon touch the floor. Oh no! Oh, the balloon almost touched the food.
Yeah. That would be a first one if it has.
And then, if you like eat the food, it tastes like balloon and smell it.
What? I said?
The balloon almost went to
Maraming gulay dito.
Nanay's. The balloon almost went to Nanay's food.
About you, Mateo? Want to eat? No.
No,
No, he's gonna
You
eat.
don't eat fish?
I don't like fish.
Why?
I don't like.
Done in seconds. I'm done minutes. Otherwise. Oh dang! Done.
Done? Are you done?
Look,
Grabe naman
this
to.
guy has a face. This guy has a face.
And
Mateo, say hi to my vlog.
hard. Hi.
Strawberry.
You want strawberry?
Look, it's
Yeah,
strawberry.
get strawberry.
No, is this apple?
Yeah.
Is this? Oh, there's seed.
Ikaw nanay, vlogger ka, di ba?
That's not apple.
Oh, is this apple?
Hindi. No. You want apple?
No. Yeah, I want apple.
The whole thing?
Marami pa dito ulam, oh. Isda, nanay. Meron na kayo dyan?
Well, do I eat the strawberry?
Yes!
Tayo lang tayo ng pritong galunggong.
Ayan, si nanay, oh. Malakas kumain yan.
Okay, guys, let's fight.
What? Are you done, Ellie? What you eating? Mateo, eat fruits.
No, I want to eat apple.
Oh, that one is apple.
No.
No? It has different seed. It's
But it's good. Tastes like apple, no?
no. The balloon touched the floor now. Oh, no.
We're heading to church now.
Who's with you?
Mom, Dad, Mama.
Ito, yan. Si nanay oh. Nanay oh. Happy Sunday.
Ay, punta kami sa church.
Okay.
Magsimba. Bibili ako ng ano, pang ano ng tenga ni Ellen. Hindi ko malinis ang tenga niya.
Baka may bagay. Lalagyan ko naman ng music pala to. Okay lang.
Nakikita ba?
Yes. Masyado kasi mababa.
Yeah. Kayod sa umaga hanggang sa paglubog ng araw. Sa lupang banyaga, pangarap ang siyang tanaw. Mula sa silangan patungo sa kanluran, kasama si Kaplaka sa ating lakbayin at kwentuhan. Yeah. Yeah. Gigising ng maaga kahit na sobrang ginaw. Kape lang ang kasama habang ang langit ay hilaw. Trabaho at bahay, yan ang laging ikot. Sa bawat oras na lumilipas, pagod ay nanunuot. Malayo sa pinagmulan sa lupang kinalakihan. Nagbabaka sakali sa gitna ng sandaigdigan. Ngunit kahit mahirap ang hamon ng tadhana, hindi susuko hanggat may natitirang gana. Buhay Canada, sadyang puno ng pagsisikap. Ngunit sa bawat pawis ay mayroong nakakalap. Basta't kasama ang pamilya sa hirap at ginhawa, at ang Panginoon ang gabay sa bawat gawa. Masagana ang buhay, pangarap ay makakamit. Sa tulong ng may kapal, tagumpay ay lalapit. Yeah. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa dolyar at sa kikitain, kundi sa pagmamahal na sa puso ay itatanim. Ang saya ng pamilya ay walang kapantay na yaman. Sila ang sandigan sa gitna ng ulan at pag-aalinlangan. Kahit apot langit ang tumpok ng mga bayarin, ngiti ng mga anak ay sapat na para kayanin. Manalig ka lang at wag na wag bibitaw. Sa biyaya ng Diyos ang buhay mo ay lilitaw. Si Kaplaka ay narito, musika ang handog. Garal sa buhay sa bawat pintig at kalog. Sa bawat tugtugin may kwentong ibabahagi, upang sa paglalakbay mo ay lagi kang magwagi. Huwag kalimutan ng pinanggalingang bakas. Doon kumukuha ng tunay at wagas na lakas. Yeah. Buhay Canada, sadyang puno ng pagsisikap. Ngunit sa bawat pawis ay mayroong nakakalap. Basta't kasama ang pamilya sa hirap at ginhawa, at ang Panginoon ang gabay sa bawat gawa. Masagana ang buhay, pangarap ay makakamit. Sa tulong ng may kapal, tagumpay ay lalapit. Kaya't ituloy ang laban, wag kang hihinto. Ang bawat sakripisyo ay magiging ginto. Kasama ang Diyos at ang pamilyang mahal. Buhay sa Canada ay biyayang banal. Musika at aral mula kay Kaplaka, para sa bawat Pilipino saan man ang dampa. Buhay Canada, sadyang puno ng pagsisikap. Ngunit sa bawat pawis ay mayroong nakakalap. Basta't kasama ang pamilya sa hirap at ginhawa, at ang Panginoon ang gabay sa bawat gawa. Masagana ang buhay, pangarap ay makakamit. Sa tulong ng may kapal, tagumpay ay lalapit.
Come. Hold my hand. Hey! Ha? Anong ginawa mo naman? Nakabukas ang sasakyan. Papanakawan mo yung sasakyan, ha? Iniwan ng asawa ko yung sasakyan na nakabukas. Gusto pa yatang mawala yung sasakyan namin. Nag-iisa na nga lang yan. Dali. What you gonna say?
So, guys,
We're going to church?
we're going to church.
Go, go. Put your ano. Woohoo! It's cold! Ang lamig-lamig. Parang nasa loob ng freezer, guys.
Have to be the best and I don't have to win the race, cause I'm covered by the kindness of a woman, holy embrace. It's the love of God that lifts me off the ground. It's the sweetest melody and the most amazing sound. Higher than the mountains, deeper than the sea. It's the love of God that set my spirit free. Yeah, He set my spirit free.
We're going to
Yeah, I was searching for a treasure in a world of dust and stone. Never realized the king was sitting right there on the throne, waiting for the prodigal to finally make it home. No more wandering the desert, no more feeling like a gnome. Every heartbeat is a rhythm and every breath is a gift. You're the anchor in the ocean when the tides begin to shift. He took the broken pieces and He made a work of art, writing every single promise on the tablet of my heart. So I'm jumping for the joy and I'm clapping with my hands, walking in the purpose of the Master's perfect plans. Yeah. It's the love of God that lifts me off the ground. It's the sweetest melody and the most amazing sound. Higher than the mountains and deeper than the sea. It's the love of God that set my spirit free. Yeah, He set my spirit free. Unconditional and powerful, it never fades away. Brighter than the sun above on a summer holiday. No height, no depth, no power can ever separate the soul from the Creator who wiped away the slate. It's the love of God that lifts me off the ground. It's the sweetest melody and the most amazing sound. Higher than the mountains.
You know the bed feels warmer, sleeping here alone. You know I'm dreaming color and do the things I want. Other dito lang siguro.
Sabi mo sa dyan sa ano? Kalambot. Pwede rin tayo sa Big Bowl. Masarap din doon. Nakita ko ba yung nanay yan? Pwede tatay yan? Tatay yan? Kung may kaya sa Pinas ano? Eh? Full stop.
Full stop.
What you going to eat?
What's up, guys? I'm gonna eat French fries and chicken. For dessert, I'll get cake.
Alam mo yun.
For dessert, I'll get cake, and I'll get for my drinks, I'll get orange juice.
Okay. May, pag may rice na kasama. Teriyaki. Piling ko lang order. Large tray. Macau chicken.
Ito may noodle oh. You don't order.
What's up? What's up, guys?
What you going to eat? Chicken or the
Chicken. I got the salt.
Oh, really?
And yours without any sauce.
Yeah.
And then it starts very hot, so very careful. Enjoy.
This one is have salt. That one is the regular one.
It's from Korean.
Yes.
It's good.
Good.
This one is a fries. I got orange juice.
Mm.
Orange juice. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm gonna have a magic trick. I'm gonna have a magic trick.
What is it?
Abracadabra. Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Orange candy will spawn.
And then?
Orange candy. It's a magic trick. I had it in my drug. So anyways, guys, we're in the car. We're in Shoppers. Look, there we're in Shoppers. No,
Hey,
we're
I
not in
know.
Shoppers. We're in the car, but we're like, but we're close to Shoppers. Right, we're right in front of Shoppers. We're back. I don't know. Anyways, Papa, your turn. You talk.
I have a candy on my mouth. That's why.
Guys.
Inaantay ko lang yung asawa ko at saka si nanay. Pauwi na rin kami sa bahay. Natapos na rin yung Sunday namin. Church, binala yung family day and church day.
Yeah.
Kita-kita sa bahay mamaya.
Peace out.
Put your hands like that.
Peace out.
Madaling araw pa lang, nagising na ang katawan. Bibit ang pangarap sa gitna ng lamig at ulan. Malayo man sa lupang ating kinagis na. Sa Canada, tinitiis ang bawat hirap at lumbay para sa kinabukasan.
dumating sa akin na package from Amazon. Ito, magagamit natin to. I-unboxing ko lang para makita ko yung loob. Ano pala to? DJI Osmo Action 5. Maganda raw to, sabi ng napapanood ko. So, medyo mahirap siya buksan. Oh. Baterya. Oh, may battery pala dito. Galing. 3 battery, naka-on na siya. Liit ang cute. Maliit lang pala talaga siya. Galing. So, may kasama siyang case ng camera. Meron siyang kasamang case. Casing niya para safety ba? Safe yung ano. Yan, ano pong isa. Okay. Oh, ito yung sa leeg. Yan, dito siya. Para mas mapadali. Okay. Collector.